Hello, Chairman Smith and the Honorable Senate. Thank you for hearing our proposed legislation that we hope that you guys will vote appropriately. Well, let me tell you who I am. I am Dr. Carmen Johnson. I am the Director of Court Watch and Judicial Accountability for Prince George's County, a pillar under LAR. I am the founder of Helping Ourselves to Transform. I am the chairwoman of Advocacy and Legislation for a Reentry Board. I was invited to help create with other organizations over a year ago called MSARC under the U.S. Attorney's Office for the District of Maryland. I sit on other boards and committees, including the United Nations. I am a new author of a book called The Pretense of Justice. However, I stand here today in my individual capacity, an impacted Indigenous American woman. I still maintain my innocence today, and thankfully the DOJ in Washington, D.C. is looking into my case. If there was remote access in 2015, when I went to trial, I would not have been found guilty and dragged off to a jail that same day, because many eyes would have been watching what had happened to me. At that camp, I was brutally beat by male guards, stumped, kicked, and spit on quite often. I was strangled once until I passed out. For 31 days, I was ordered under a T5 hot light, and it felt like a microwave in my body. As an innocent woman, I did not deserve this experience, and this is why court remote access, public access, is necessary. I train our court watchers to be unbiased and objective when collecting data in the courtrooms, and we have sat in over 5,400 bond review hearings and 200 plus criminal proceedings over 2 years, and have been strictly remote access in the courts with no behavior issues from the community or our court watchers. This is not 1723, this is 2023, and the technology is there in DC and in Florida. Why can't we have remote access? Please vote favorably to court remote public access for transparency and accountability. No innocent Marylander should have to go through what I went through. And if this injustice happened to me with no remote public access, it could happen to you. Injustice happened in empty courtrooms. Thank you.